like this, how do you guys function with nails? I'm like, I'm trying here and I'm just, oh my gosh, it's stuck in my head. And I just pulled out so much hair.
Buongiorno and welcome to my channel. My name is Stefania if you are new here. So today we are going to play with the new Jaclyn Hill lippies. I am thrilled. It is Monday night. I just got these in the mail. I'm like, husband, please go somewhere so I can film this, okay? Because I need to put these on my lips. But I'm very excited about these. I did get the normal shipping. I know that there were some problems with people that paid for expedited shipping, which is unfortunate, but for the most part, like, I think she did refund those people. I don't know all this information, okay? So let's go ahead and jump to this video. I can only speak to my experience. So we are going to do swatches and all that good stuff. I'm going to make sure to not wear lip liner so we can see the true colors and tell you guys my thoughts. Was it worth the 2-year wait, you know? It took some time. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. I really appreciate you guys, and you know, it helps me keep going, helps me be able to bring you guys new releases like this and reviews. So help me help you. And let's go ahead and put some lipstick on. Okay, so this is obviously what it looks like. It does have some nice weight to it. Obviously it has the JH logo right here. In person, it actually looks really nice. Like, you can't really feel the glitter. It feels nice and smooth. As far as like packaging goes, I do think this is like super cute. But yeah, I just want to put it on, to be completely honest. It does have like this nice little diamond component at the top, and these were $18. I like the smell. It's like a semi-sweet smell. It's not like, I wouldn't say, I'm gonna like end up with this all over my nose. I wouldn't say it's like it's a little bit less sweet than like Kylie Cosmetics, but it's not overpowering. It's a very subtle sweetness, which I enjoy. I enjoy everything that smells sweet, so I'm very happy about this. So, all right, let's do what we're here for. All right, so let's go in with the first shade. These have a slight vanilla scent, definitely not a strong scent. It's like that cross between lipstick and a slight vanilla, but definitely not very strong at all. So that's good, because it's not going to irritate anyone, because, you know, floral smells. Hoy. And these are going to be rough. I'm not going to use a lip liner. I would usually use a lip liner for sure. I pretty much do that with any lipstick, but I figured I would show everyone without. I always go over twice, just because if I only went over once, not that it's not opaque, but it's, you know, a little cracky. So, you know, this hides the cracks. So, and this is about how much product you get in one of these. But this is the shade Obsessed, and very happy. So I would definitely describe this as like a pinky nude for sure, which are my absolute favorites. I think Amazeballs or like the nude trio would have just been too light on my skin tone. It wouldn't have been the same as it was on hers, you know what I mean? So that's why I was like, okay, let's just see how this goes first and pick up 4 at a time. And I have another one coming. But this is the shade Obsessed. I will make sure to take screenshots and put them next to each other so you guys can see all the different shades on my lips. So next we are going to do That Girl. Does anyone feel like, I don't mind that she started off with these. I'm like, okay, nudes are nudes, but I can have as many as possible and not get tired of them. I will always buy more nudes. Like, it's still like always on the search for like the perfect one, you know? I don't have one of those. So this is That Girl. Super creamy formula. Like I said, I do go over more than like one time. This is not going to be the perfect application. I'm just showing you guys the colors, okay? Don't be up my butt about this. Especially without a lip liner. Woo! So this is That Girl. I love this color. I think I like it more than Obsessed. I just love a pinky nude. And I feel like with my skin, I like this color a lot, okay, is what I'm trying to say. It is a light pink nude. Alright, let's get into the darker colors. I will say I do love how it clasps, like like it snaps. I like that because I hate feeling like it's not going to be securely on there. And whatever's in my purse, believe me, the lids pop off sometimes, and it's, I'm not happy. I'm not a happy person when that happens. Next up we have Tipsy. I was kind of like, should I pick up Tipsy or should I pick up Hustle? I went with Tipsy this time. I'm just gonna blot out my lips a little bit so that we can not have any color showing. Alright, and this is Tipsy, so it's a little deeper now. Ooh. So I would say this is like my true, like almost nude color. Like nude is supposed to like mimic your lips, which I don't like the color of my lips. I don't hate it or anything, but like, I don't like it. But I really like this color. I would say this one is probably like the most neutral one that I got, but I still really like it. Like I'm surprised. Like they are similar, obviously they're nudes, but also if you're a makeup lover, I feel like every person is like, but it's not the same. It's not exactly the same for sure. Like there's different looks I have in mind for all of these, but I do like this one. All right, for this last one, we have Gossip. This is definitely more of a brownie nude. I really like this one. I think especially for like my, like, I mean, I'm trying to look at it from afar. It's definitely more of like a true like brown side compared to the pinkier side. I personally like pinkier ones, but I also was like, let's see, maybe this will be my color. I think especially with lip liners, you can obviously really transform the color like this with like a deep brown lip liner. It's nice. Like I don't have any complaints. And this one was the last one in Gossip. Alright, I went ahead and did some arm swatches. So we have Obsessed, Tipsy, That Girl, and Gossip. So you guys can see the nice colors there. Of course, there are only subtle differences. I mean, this is all in the same range, but for the most part, I feel like everything worked really well on my skin tone for the colors I picked. I did want a few more colors like Hustle. I do have, like I said, I have Isla coming in, but I double dipped, so that's a little bit behind. But I did end up putting on Obsessed with Kylie's Caramel Lip Liner. That's like my favorite lip liner, or one of my favorites. But yeah, overall, I would say now that I've tried them on, they are a very nice creamy formula. The smell kind of is that lipsticky smell with a little bit of vanilla. Like after a while, I was like, oh, okay, I do notice the lipstick smell, which I don't mind as long as it's not like L'Oreal lipstick. No, but I don't mind the smell at all. I have a few things that I was like, okay, I need to talk about. So I did look up and see if these were similar to like product wise. This actually does have a little bit more product than a MAC lipstick. I would say price wise, I feel like this was a fair price for the packaging, which I hate saying that. Like the formula is worth the money as well, but when you consider everything that came with it, I'm like, yes, I do like that. The one thing that I wish is like, yes, the colors are on the bottom, but it would be easier if they, I don't know, I kind of like seeing in a packaging like what color it is, if that makes sense, but that's just me being nitpicky and being blind as to when I'm picking things up. So overall, I feel like you would be very happy with your purchase. I don't see anything that I can't, like anything that I'm going to be too nitpicky about. Transfer wise, of course it's going to transfer. It is a normal lipstick, you know, so it is going to transfer quite a bit, but that's expected. I wouldn't say it's like coming off my lips or anything. So actually, let me look. I don't want to get dragged here, okay? Today is a positivity day, just in case you didn't notice, or you know, just in case I could let you know I'm in a positive mood. So yeah, but yeah, the color is still there. It's not like it came off after one little like kiss. I do hate it on wine glasses though. I don't know why, it just like grosses me out. But yeah, I feel like that is it. Like I said, I did do the free standard shipping. I felt like for her first launch, I was actually pretty impressed that it didn't take me, I was in and out within like 3 minutes, I want to say, which, believe me, there are certain big releases that I'm in a freaking line for like an hour and I'm getting so frustrated, and not hitting that refresh button is like the hardest thing of life. I'm being a little dramatic here. Tone it down. But yeah, I would order more, to be honest. Like I said, I wanted to see how the formula was before I ordered like a ton, but if you're similar to my skin tone, hopefully this was useful for you. I don't think there's anything else to really say. I mean, it's a lipstick, and I'm trying to be as, you know, informative as possible. So we went over smell, cost, shipping, packaging. Everything came great. I have no problems. And I would say the formula is, yeah, it's comfortable. It's, like I said, it's not as matte as a Kylie lipstick, and it's not as, or drying as a Kylie lipstick, but not like as hydrating, I would say, as like a Bite Beauty lipstick, if that helps. But if you guys would like a swatch comparison, if I can find perfect dupes, let me know. If I don't get more than like 15 comments on that, I probably won't do it, just because I don't want to do something you guys aren't going to watch. But yeah, let me know which shade was your favorite, what shades you guys picked up, what was your favorite, all your thoughts, everything you could possibly tell me. Let me know. I will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe before leaving. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.